A silent shadow emerges, reshaping warfare with unmatched precision. China's military revolutionizes its arsenal with the QBZ-191 rifle, transforming the battlefield. Introduced in 2019 to replace the QBZ-95, this weapon enhances ergonomics with its conventional layout. It fires 5.8 by 42 millimeter rounds, delivering superior accuracy and reliability. Engineers designed modular variants, including carbine and marksman models, to meet diverse combat needs. The addition of Picatinny rails for optics and accessories ensures precision and versatility. By deploying the QBZ-191, China asserts itself as a leading force in global military technology advancements. QBZ-191, redefining firepower one shot at a time. What do you think?